Your bedroom is more than just a place to sleep. It's your sanctuary, your escape, and the one space that should reflect both comfort and personal style. While we often think of big things like beds, wardrobes, or wall colors when it comes to decorating, there's one element that has the power to instantly transform your space: curtains. Curtains are no longer just about blocking sunlight or adding privacy. In 2026, they've evolved into bold design statements that can completely revamp the vibe of your bedroom. From smart tech-inspired fabrics to luxurious drapes that scream sophistication, today's curtain trends are all about style meeting function. In this video, we'll explore 7 mind-blowing curtain ideas that will take your bedroom from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you love a soft, romantic vibe, a futuristic smart home feel, or something bold and artistic, there's an idea here that will inspire you. 1. Smart curtains with voice control. Imagine waking up in the morning and simply saying, "Alexa, open my curtains." With smart curtains, that's your reality. These motorized panels work with voice assistants or remote controls, making it effortless to let in natural light when you want it, or block it out when you don't. They're especially perfect for bedrooms because you can program them to close at night for total privacy and open automatically at sunrise to help you wake up naturally. Many modern options also come with blackout technology, which is great if you're someone who loves an uninterrupted sleep. And let's not forget, smart curtains aren't just about convenience. They also add a futuristic touch to your bedroom design. Pair them with sleek fabrics like sheer whites during the day and a heavier, darker layer for nighttime, and suddenly your bedroom feels like something out of a luxury smart home catalog. 2. Layered luxury curtains. One curtain style is beautiful, but 2? That's where the magic happens. Layering sheer curtains with heavier drapes adds both function and drama to your bedroom. In the daytime, you can pull across the sheer panels to let in light while still maintaining privacy. At night, draw the heavier blackout drapes for a cozy, intimate feel. The layering effect also adds depth and dimension to your windows, making them look taller and more elegant. For 2026, trending color combinations include sheer whites paired with deep emerald green, rich navy, or even a warm terracotta shade. If your bedroom is minimalist, layering also gives you the chance to add subtle textures without overwhelming the space. This design idea instantly elevates your bedroom from simple to luxurious, making it feel like a 5-star hotel suite right in your own home. 3. Bold pattern curtains. Who says curtains have to blend into the background? In 2026, bold patterned curtains are stealing the spotlight. Think geometric prints, oversized florals, abstract designs, or even metallic accents woven into the fabric. These statement curtains can completely transform a plain bedroom into something dynamic and full of personality. If your bedroom walls are painted in a neutral color, patterned curtains are the perfect way to introduce vibrancy and movement. For example, a minimalist white room with large navy and gold patterned curtains instantly looks modern and chic. Key here is balance. If your furniture and bedding are already bold, go for subtle patterns. But if your space feels a little too plain, let your curtains become the artistic centerpiece of the room. 4. Floor-to-ceiling drama. Want your bedroom to look instantly taller and more elegant? Go floor-to-ceiling with your curtains. Instead of stopping just at the window frame, extend the curtain rod higher, close to the ceiling, and let the fabric gracefully fall all the way to the floor. This technique elongates the walls, giving your room a luxurious, grand appearance. Pair it with rich fabrics like velvet or silk for an ultra-dramatic effect, or go with flowing sheer panels if you prefer something airy and light. Floor-to-ceiling curtains are especially effective in small bedrooms, where maximizing vertical space makes the room feel larger and more open. Add a soft rug and minimal lighting, and you've just created a bedroom that feels like a high-end designer retreat. 5 nature-inspired curtains. In 2026, biophilic design, the trend of bringing nature indoors, is huge, and curtains are a perfect way to embrace it. Nature-inspired curtains often feature earthy tones, leafy patterns, or even sustainable, eco-friendly fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo, or recycled polyester. Imagine waking up in a room where your curtains bring the calming presence of nature indoors. Soft green linen curtains, floral prints, or even textures that mimic natural fibers add warmth and serenity to your space. These are especially perfect if you're aiming for a cozy, calming bedroom that doubles as a wellness retreat. Pair them with wooden furniture, indoor plants, and neutral wall tones, and your bedroom will feel like a natural sanctuary, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. 6 metallic and shimmer curtains. Luxury is what you're after. Metallic and shimmer curtains are the way to go. These fabrics subtly reflect light, creating a glamorous, high-end vibe. Gold, silver, champagne, and bronze tones are especially trendy in 2026. By day, these curtains catch natural light and create a soft glow in the room. By night, they reflect artificial lighting beautifully, giving your bedroom a chic, almost cinematic feel. They're perfect for modern and contemporary bedrooms where you want to add a touch of elegance without overdoing it. Metallic curtains also pair beautifully with velvet bedding, glass accents, or mirrored furniture, basically anything that creates a feeling of sophistication. 7 minimalist neutral curtains. Sometimes less really is more. Minimalist neutral curtains are all about simplicity, softness, and calm. Colors like white, beige, taupe, or soft gray never go out of style. And in 2026, they remain a staple for bedrooms that embrace a peaceful, minimalist aesthetic. Neutral curtains work especially well if your bedroom is small or if you want a space that feels clean and clutter-free. Pair them with light wooden furniture, soft bedding, and a few textured cushions to avoid the room feeling flat. The beauty of minimalist curtains is that they act as a subtle backdrop, allowing other elements in your room, like artwork, a statement headboard, or even your favorite bedding set, to shine. And there you have it, 7 mind-blowing curtain ideas that can completely revamp your bedroom in 2026. From smart voice-controlled panels to floor-to-ceiling drama. From bold patterns to calming neutrals, the right curtains can set the entire tone of your space. So, which curtain idea was your favorite? Do you see yourself going bold with patterns or keeping it soft and minimal with neutrals? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.